value is 206, which is 3% better than the purchase price. So either we got a good deal, or if you're using this after you've purchased a house, then you've gained 3%. Okay? The next thing that it calculates for you is the LTV on your mortgages, our first and second mortgage. And you'll see that the LTVs are 78% and 12%. You'll see over here to the left of these, there are green boxes. These boxes mean that the mortgage is below 80% LTV, which is usually the bank standard for any one mortgage. Okay? If it's higher than 80%, the boxes will be red. The next thing it calculates for you is the combined loan to value. In this example, it's 90.34%. Okay? Now, if you look over here, the box is red. That means that the combined loan to value is greater than 80%, which is a bank standard for, they want to try and keep their loans less than 80%. Okay? The last thing that it calculates is your ownership stake. How much of the house do you own? Now, if you put down a larger down payment, you'll have a larger ownership stake. In this example, we have it pretty heavily mortgaged between our first and second mortgage, so we only own about 10% of this house. Now, let's look a little bit further. You can use this calculator after you've purchased the house. Okay? We can leave our purchase price at whatever. Okay? Leave all those guys alone. We can say our first mortgage has been reduced to, say, $130,000. We've actually stayed in our house and we've been working on paying off our mortgage. Say we've been here 10 years, we haven't sold it. We actually paid off our second mortgage. Okay? Not only that, our appraised value has increased. Okay? We've done good. Now it's $236,000. Okay? We'll go ahead and submit and get this new information. Now our purchase price remains the $190,000 and the $10,000. Now this is a little bit tricky. It says total purchase cost of $200,000, which is correct, and it says total purchase funds of $143,900, and it indicates a red box. Now, since we're doing this after we've purchased the house, we would expect these to not match. So this is actually okay. Now, our appraised value is $236,000, and we've actually experienced a gain. Now, our loan to value on our first mortgage, 55.08%, we've done good. Our second loan has vanished, that's good. Our combined loan to value then is 55.08%. And our ownership stake in this house has increased to 44%. So that's good. Now, unfortunately, things can also go the other way. So what we're going to do is we're going to put our purchase price back here. We're going to put everything back to our original, $206,000, $11,900, $2,000 for seller paid closing costs. We'll go ahead and put our first mortgage back at $161,100. Our second mortgage at $25,000. I'll just click submit real quick, make sure my numbers add up, and they do. Okay, now things can go the other way. Our appraised value can go south. And in the current real estate industry, it has gone quite a bit south in some markets. So let's say it went to 166. That's not good. Our first mortgage, we have been able to pay it down a little bit. We'll go to, say, 150. Our second mortgage, we have also been able to work on it a little bit. Okay? We'll go ahead and resubmit, get our new information. Scroll down. We'll see again our purchase funds do not match, but this is after we've bought the house, so everything is actually okay, even though it shows a red box. Now this time our appraised value is $166,000, which means we've realized a 17% loss. Okay? Our loan to values are calculated on our appraised value. So our first mortgage has a 90% loan to value. Our second mortgage has a 10% loan to value, even though we've been paying them down. Our combined loan to value is 101%. So our ownership stake is 0. So as you can see, this is a negative situation, and unfortunately there are many negative situations far worse than this example. But that illustrates what this calculator does. So that is the loan to value calculator at morecalculators.com. If you have any questions or comments for us at morecalculator.com, simply visit the morecalculators.com homepage, and then near the top you'll see morecalculators.com Help Center. Thank you very much and have a great day.